Optimal blend of airflow and static pressure. Enables use as a PC case, radiator or CPU cooler fan. MagLev bearing. Stabilizes rotor for reduced friction and noise, and offers 400,000-hour lifespan. Minimized acoustic profile. Whisper quiet, 22.5 decibels, a cooling performance and tuned to deliver a smooth and stable sound frequency. Aerodynamic fan blade and frame design. Minimizes turbulence and maximizes airflow. Extensive operating range. 250 to 1,800 revolutions per minute range for more flexibility and to create a quiet fan curve. Fan spins down at 0% PWM utilization. Anti-vibration pads and mounts. Reduces vibration and prevents rattling. Top reviews from the United States. Quiet. I bought 3 of the ASUS ROG Strix XF120 and can say I am impressed by them. They are very quiet while reaching speeds of up to 2000, although one fault I have to give them are the hella cheap anti-vibration mounts provided. If you buy this and want to use AV mounts, chalk up the extra $8 and buy a pack of Noctua AV mounts that won't break the second you pull on them.